god.
You fucking do it then. You do it. You do it. I don't want to hear it.
No, it's a process. It takes
Go for it,
people.
No, Cameron, you've been doing it from 0 to 18.
I have. And I do it just fucking fine.
Cameron, here.
It's fucking crazy.
Cameron, you got this.
Cameron,
You
bring
got it.
another chair over and we'll do it together. Bring me a chair. We'll work together.
Oh, this will be fun.
No, too far. Oh, God damn it, no. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why would you do that?
I look forward to many jokes.
No,
Thank you
Cameron.
for capitalizing.
Cameron, does that make sense? Cameron, does that make sense?
You're gonna be stars.
Yes, it makes perfect sense. No, it doesn't make sense.
Don't fall.
Shut up, Fang.
You know what I think of that kind of lines?
Oh, we should do it. Cameron
I missed it, so.
farted.
Oh!
Yeah.
Such a boy.
Tell me about it. Sometimes lesbianahood sounds good.
You like dick way too much.
Wait, did you see how I was working that in there?
Staying out of this conversation.
See how you're working it in there, dude.
And then you pull the lights, just the light part out.
Pull out just a little bit. So you're saying.
Look at this guy. This fucking guy.
Booking me. Who invited these bookings? No, we're not doing that. You know, I just told you we're snaking it.
I think that you
There's
should.
no point in decorating the back when you can't see it.
But you gotta fucking lights go on.
But, like, I think just the top a little bit.
Well, yeah, the top is done.
'Cause you can see
but
through
now
the-
we're on the part where...
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so what? You trying to snake it back and forth this way?
Yeah, that's exactly what I say. Because then you'll be able to have more lights on the front than sacrificing ones in the back that you're not going to see. What are you doing? Oh my God.